I just let you know this lawnmower here is now being scrapped. I did have one taker, but it cost too much to send. So this one is now going to get scrapped, going into this scrapyard to weigh it in. That's an update on this mower. There was, so wondering if this was a 2-stroke or 4-stroke. It's actually a 4-stroke. Yeah, so it just took the cover off. That's the wide pack there, carburetor, and you put your oil in here, and that's the petrol. So yeah, I just took the cover off. So that's the clutch in here. To make it work, there we are. There's the old leather belt here. There's a chain. And yeah, I was talking to someone about this. So when the engine is running, it's dangerous like anything. So when the engine's running, this is spinning all the time as well. Anyway, I'm sorting out my workshop. Well, my big shed. It's a big task and a half. So that means I have to sort all this out. I took everything off the shelf so you can see all piled up. There's an old mobile phone there. You see, look at it. I can't even get to my mowers. It's all stacked up. I'm having to clear out at the moment. Just took loads of plywood away off brush cutters and stuff. You can see. I need to get some Vaseline. Keep your thoughts to yourself about that. Carburetors. Bits. Yeah, so I sorted that little bit out here. So put some stuff on the shelf. I think let's scrap that Honda HR173. So that is empty, but there's a strimmer and a landmass carry. So it's just empty at the moment. So we're arranging it. So got the modern carburetors up here. Then got the air filters on the bottom. The trouble is I'm going to run out of room, I know that. The old fashioned carbs, Briggs, carbs, gearboxes from the 414 Mountfield exhaust. So everything's empty at the moment, so bits for trimmers, gearbox up here from off the Mountfield there. Yeah, even at the back, yeah, so it's all stacked up. Those engines are for sale at the back there. Suffolk, some Briggs and Stratton, cowlings, just shed chap, and there's loads of wheels in here, right up to there. Yes, before that plastic. Got good petrol tanks as well from brush cutters, as you can see. Nothing wrong with them, but I just don't have the room in there. It's all completely filled up. There's a Victor. Oh well, looks like someone's always smashed that up, haven't they? That was a decent car. Someone's always been here smashed it up. Yeah. You can see. Cables. Grass boxes from my electric lawnmowers. Sit on lawnmowers, grass boxes and chutes and funnels. maybe water to the frame and handlebars. I just checked loads of handlebars out, so it's empty. I just don't. Yeah, I've actually been ordered. I have to clean it all out now. Here we are. That's all what I've got left. Outfields, the modern ones which is around now. And more grass boxes. Anyway, they filled one of these up, right up to the top. These are Tech Company Aspira ignition coils. Loads of them. Exhaust, all working. But Tech Company's Aspira are no good engines really. So really I should do the modern stuff, but even do the modern stuff, you can't get the bits. Like I'm waiting for a clutch cable and dead man's handle cable. Which I can't get from China. It's been here now 6 months and I still cannot. There's a site on Google and keeping saying coming in soon, coming in soon, coming in soon. That's all it ever says. 6 months and it's still saying the same. And for a petrol cap as well, I want. Can't get it. All in these boxes is bitty. It's all got bitty bits in there. Bits of this, bits of that. And it needs sorting out. That's going to take ages to sort out. Here, I know what's in here. So we've got Briggs and Stratton coils. Yeah, right ones. That's your Suffolk cast iron. That's Honda. That's starter cups. That's Tech Company top starters. That's the Suffolk ones down here. That's pulleys and Honda grips in here. That's Tech Company as well. And that's a Tech Company ignition coil. So anyway, look at all these lovely grass boxes I have. And there's the old vintage plough or whatever it is with big long wooden handles with cast iron wheels on it. Can you see or not? Yes, you can. So I'm keeping this McCulloch. This is a modern one. So let's keep the modern stuff like this. I call it muck culloch, which are rubbish. Muck. M-U-C-K. Muck culloch. Not M-C-C-U-L-L-O-C-H. It's spelled M-U-C-K. Muck culloch. Alright, I'm going to get some Vaseline now. I'm going to grease these runners up here because it's a bit stiff to go in and out. Before I go, is the problem, is it all going to fit back on the shelves? The answer is no. I'm out of space, probably. Right, I can start putting this back on. I know what's in these boxes, so they go onto the bottom shelf there. Oh, it's such a headache, isn't it? Do you find it easy or do you find it difficult? Some people find it easy to sort this out. But this is taking me ages and ages to sort this out. Alright, when I finish, I said, when, I'm going to put the checkers flags out. These ones. Alright, thanks for listening. This was a shed update, what I'm doing at the moment. And a lot of it will be waiting to scrapyard. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe and comment. Adios.